Good morning, students. How are you? Most welcome in your e-learning classroom. Myself, Vanita, once again here with your maths class. Students, day by day, we are approaching towards our final examination. It is very near. Most probably in first week of March, it will be started. You will get your timetable, your notification through the WhatsApp. Now, already all the teachers have completed all the syllabus. Now, revision classes are going on. But in maths, only one topic is remaining, that is your pattern. So today I want to complete that chapter, that is pattern. So now let's start the class. My lovable kids, today I am going to start Unit 40, that is fun with pattern. Now your first question is, what is pattern? A pattern is a regularity in the world in human-made design. As such, the elements of pattern repeat in a predictable manner. Geometrical pattern is a kind of pattern formed of geometric shapes and typically repeated like a wallpaper design. Means it is a set of shapes. Pattern is a set of shapes, numbers or words that is repeated according to a rule. With the help of that rule, that pictures are repeated again and again. The basic element of a pattern is a unit which repeats itself. Patterns you can see all around the world. In music, we use the pattern. In architecture, in nature, in science, etc. In all these areas, we see the example of patterns. In this slide, you are also seeing the picture of some patterns where some figures are repeated again and again. These all are the example of patterns. Here, look some patterns which are around us. Gate, sari, leaf, honeycomb. These all are the example of pattern. So you can say that pattern is in nature, pattern is in science, pattern is in design, pattern is everywhere. We follow the pattern and make different kinds of things. Here, one more question is, name three more things in which you find some patterns. It means you have to think over it where you see different types of pattern and you have to write the name of such things. I think you can think and write it. So all of you do it. My dear students, here you are looking the pattern. Some pictures are given below which is based on pattern. All these patterns follow some rules. With these rules, the pattern can be made. Here, two flowers, one leaf, two flowers and one leaf. This is the, in this way, this is repeating again and again. This is the pattern of this design. Next, we find there is two squares, two triangles, two squares, two triangles. In this way, we make different types of pattern. We think some unit and repeating again and again, we make different types of pattern which is based on a rule. Dear students, Now I think pattern is clear to you. On the basis of the previous slide, you read it again and again and you can do the classwork. First question is given here. There are some pictures which is based on a rule. What next picture will come in the blank spaces? You have to draw that pictures and complete the pattern. I think you can do yourself. So take out your copies, pencil, you draw these all pictures and continue the pattern. Dear students, in previous slides, some patterns were given to you and follow that rules. You have to complete the patterns. Now in these slides, you think you make your own rules which is based on pattern and then you fill this space with that pattern. Means you have to create your own patterns in the space which is given below and you will do it. Students, this is the slide of number patterns. Some numbers are given here which is based on some rules. So first you find out the rule on which rules they are best, then you complete the pattern. First you guess the rule. Suppose here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It means what will be the next number? So first you think that these all numbers are based on which rule. Then you have to write the next number. Next one 10, 9, 8, 7 means it is in decreasing order. It means the next number will be in the decreasing order. Means first you see the number, then guess the rule, then write the next number. In this way you can complete the pattern. A number pattern means it is a sequence of number that follow certain rules. Earlier I explained about it. Suppose here the pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means its rule is adding 1. So again proof is also given here. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 and 4 plus 1, 5. It means with rule you can complete your work. Next is 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. It means its rule is by subtracting 10 and you can prove it. So first you subtract 10 from 50, that is 40. Then you subtract 10 from 40, that is 30. You subtract 10 from 30, that is 20. And you subtract 10 from 20, that is your 10. So what will be the next number? Now you can write it. It means pattern is based on rule and following that rules you have to complete the pattern and you can make the pattern of yourself. Dear students, it is worksheet 2, it is also classwork. These all are the best number patterns. So first you look different type of patterns and think over about the rules, on which rules they are best. Then you will write the next number. Already I have explained about it. So first think over it, then find out the rules, then complete your work. It's the time of homework. I think you will complete your classwork very soon. Then you will do the homework. This is the picture pattern. So many pictures are given here. So first find out the rule, on which rules they are best. Then do your work and you will draw the picture in your copy and then complete the work. Dear students, it's the time of homework. Here, question 2 is given. Complete the numerical series. Means so many numbers are given here which is based on some rules. And following that rules, you have to write the next three number. So question number A is complete the next three number. Next question is B. Write the next number in which sequence according to the rule. Here rule is given. In first question add 5 means sequence is given and rule is also given. On that rule you will write the next three number. Question number 2 subtract 11 means numbers are given by subtracting 11. So what will be the next number? You have to write yourself. In this way, this is all about your homework. Dear students, complete your classwork and complete your homework, then send it to the WhatsApp group. Okay, have a nice day.